On Pawleys Island, good times have always meant good food. Fishing along the causeway and shrimping in the creek are daily preludes to delicious Lowcountry fare. A perennial favorite is crab cakes, like these prepared at the Litchfield Beach Fish House by Cathy and Lucy Point.
First, we're going to make enough for about a dozen of crab cake. First thing we do, we must pick the crab meat to make sure all the shells and everything is out. Once we do that, then we start our procedure. First, Lucy will start with the accent. A teaspoon of that. Next one will be the black pepper. Half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Next one will be the Old Bay spice, seasoning spice, a tea to a half. Then the next one will be the Worcestershire sauce, the 2 teaspoons of that. Then the next one we add the onions, the green and red pepper to give it a color and also a taste. Then we add 2 eggs. Beat eggs, add that in. Next will be the Tabasco sauce. Tea to a tablespoon of that. Then the next one will be the mustard. About a teaspoon of mustard. Next will be the mayonnaise. About a half a cup to a pound. Then you should mix that. Once she mix all her ingredients together, then she will add the breadcrumbs. About a cup to 2 cups. Breadcrumb, give it a firm, make it hold together. You need more breadcrumb, you just add more breadcrumb in there until you have it the way you want it. And once it's firm, she will start measuring it or whatever, what size do you want. Pat it out, then you put it in the flour. If you don't, you could grill it.
Okay.
And if you grill it, do not stick it in flour. Just spray it with a non-stick spray, and then you grill it.
Okay. So you can either fry them, deep fat fry, then you would bread them if you wanted to fry them. But if you want to grill them, you take them from here to the grill. Okay. I think we're going to grill ours today.
All right. Once the crab cake is shaped and is formed, then you're going to start cooking it in hot grease. Make sure it's cooked lightly brown on both sides. Once it's cooked on both sides lightly brown, then it's ready. The reason I say lightly brown because you do not want to cook it too long because it will turn into a hard stage and you will not taste the crab meat period. You will taste nothing but breadcrumb mixture only.